In this next video, we'll be touring the lab space. Once we enter the room, on the left-hand side is our gloves and emergency exit route. Here we have our first aid kit and fire blanket. Here you will have your lab coats, a fume hood, our glass disposal bucket, our trash can, our emergency eye wash station and shower. Here, our biohazard bin. If we go down here, we'll locate our MSDS sheet, or SDS. On this shelf, you'll find various types of nutrient-based media, including slants, broths, and deeps. Here in the prep room, we will find our emergency spill kit, as well as our emergency phone. From here, we'll now go through our emergency exit route, which can be located on the right side of the door. Located here on the wall is our fire extinguisher and our fire alarm. As we go further, on the right is our emergency exit route. Now I'll show you the technique to properly disinfect your table before and after the lab experiment. Please make sure to cover every inch of the lab bench. Also, do not try to dry the whole table. It's best if the lab bench is still wet and allows the bacteria to die. And also do not forget to get your chair. This completes the laboratory contract overview as well as the room tour.